Welcome back, viewer. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of aloe vera, the unique plant known for its incredible healing properties. From its origins in the Arabian Peninsula to its worldwide cultivation, aloe vera has been treasured for thousands of years. But did you know that this remarkable plant offers more than just soothing gel for the skin? Stay tuned as we explore the benefits, risks, and how to prepare aloe vera juice to harness its full potential. What is aloe vera? Aloe vera is a gel extracted from the leaves of aloe plants, and its therapeutic uses date back to ancient times. Apart from its popularity as a skin treatment, it has also been used as a remedy for various ailments, including constipation and skin disorders. Although modern research has shown mixed results, aloe vera remains a valuable natural resource. Aloe vera benefits. Aloe vera's benefits extend beyond skincare. When blended with water, it creates a nutrient-rich aloe vera juice. This juice contains beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that supports eye health and various other nutrients. Let's explore some of the health benefits of aloe vera juice. Treats constipation. Aloe vera juice contains compounds with laxative properties, potentially providing relief from constipation without causing digestive issues. May improve IBS symptoms. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties have shown promise in easing the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. More research is needed, but the initial findings are encouraging. Relieves heartburn. Aloe vera juice has been found to reduce heartburn symptoms without any uncomfortable side effects. Aloe vera nutrition. Aloe vera juice is packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Additionally, it contains essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, beta-carotene, folic acid, calcium, and magnesium. Aloe vera uses. Research supports the traditional use of topical aloe vera gel for various skin conditions, including psoriasis, dandruff, burns, and acne. Moreover, aloe vera juice, when taken orally, acts as a potent laxative, which was once utilized in over-the-counter constipation drugs. However, due to safety concerns, these products were either reformulated or removed from shelves. How to prepare aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is available in stores, but you can make it fresh at home too. Simply remove the gel from the plant's leaves, avoiding the bitter outer skin. Blend the gel until smooth, and adjust the thickness by adding water. Voila! You have a refreshing, clean-tasting beverage packed with nutrients. Aloe vera risks. Before using aloe vera, always consult your doctor. Chronic use of aloe vera may not be advisable, and oral intake can cause cramping and diarrhea. Those with garlic, onion, or tulip allergies should also be cautious. Additionally, aloe vera may interact with certain medications, so consult your doctor before taking supplements. Aloe vera truly is a remarkable plant with incredible benefits, but it's essential to use it responsibly and with caution. Whether applied topically or taken orally, always seek advice from a healthcare professional. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more fascinating insights. Stay healthy and take care.